Go ahead when you're ready.
Looks dusty down there.
What?
We're ready, go.
I see.
It looks pretty dusty.
No, it's fine down here. Tell him it's okay down here.
It's cool.
I'm trying to get his headlights. I can't see him.
Oh my god, that's badass. That thing is still at home doing like 85.
It disappeared into the.
Dude, look at it.